Hi guys, it's 10 p.m. in the evening and I'm walking here at Rim Island. Look how safe it is to walk here even you're alone. But I think it's better that you'll be with someone so that you can also enjoy walking around. And tingnan nyo yung guys, sobrang peaceful here. And ang daming benches wherein you can sit, relax, or if you have food, pwede kayong mag-rest dito, kumain, and just enjoy the view. So, just in front of me, it's Rim Mall. Ito yung pinaka bagong mall dito sa Abu Dhabi and it's very big. Makikita nyo rin dito yung snow park. And right now, I'm walking here at Corniche Park. So it's already 12 midnight and wala pa rin makikitang any signs of violence here. It's so peaceful and may mga guards na bantay sarado talaga 24 hours.